Genesis 1:29 says, "Then God said, I give you every seed-bearing plant on the face of the whole earth and every tree that has fruit with seed in it. They will be yours for food." And for Instagram photos, obviously. There's a beautiful quote that goes, "To plant a garden is to believe in tomorrow, or to believe in your ability to remember to water it." Hi everyone, today I'm unlocking the secret to growing microgreens indoors. Fresh, nutritious, and oh so easy. Even easier than finding a matching pair of socks. So, what are microgreens? These are immature plants, harvested just 7 to 21 days after germination. Kind of like baby plants, but without the diaper changes. Perfect for indoor gardening and small spaces, they add a burst of flavor and nutrients to salads, sandwiches, and smoothies. And they make you look like a gourmet chef on social media. Plus, no worries about weeds or pests. Just you and your tiny green friends. Let's talk types of microgreens. Leafy greens and herbs like kale, spinach, and cilantro. Because who doesn't want to feel like a health guru? Brassicas such as broccoli and radish. Yes, even your veggies can have fancy names. Pea and bean shoots including pea shoots and lentil sprouts. Because why should beans miss out on the fun? And even grasses like wheatgrass. Perfect for those who want to drink their lawn. Growing microgreens has amazing benefits. They're space-saving, can be grown year-round, and are nutrient-packed. Like a multivitamin but tastier. You get fast results in just a few weeks, they're cost-effective, and they even improve indoor air quality. Who knew plants could be overachievers? For top microgreen seeds, consider daikon radish. It's fast-growing and tangy. Like a speed-dating plant. Or the colorful early wonder green top beet, and peppery arugula. Because your taste buds deserve a party. Don't forget a shallow tray like the Sunblaster 1020. It's like a VIP lounge for your seeds. Here's what you need to get started. Quality seeds, organic soil or potting mix, shallow trays, a grow light or sunny spot, and a spray bottle for gentle watering. Think of it as a spa day for your plants. Ready to grow? Fill your tray with damp organic potting mix, distribute seeds evenly, and press them in. Give them a little pep talk while you're at it. Cover with a damp paper towel and mist with water. It's like tucking them in for a good night's sleep. Once they sprout, remove the towel and give them light. Time to wake up and shine. Harvest when they're about 2-3 inches tall. Like giving them their first haircut. Add these little powerhouses to salads, smoothies, wraps, or as garnishes. Your taste buds will thank you. Remember to keep the soil moist, provide enough light, and experiment with different varieties. It's like a science experiment you can eat. Got questions? Most microgreens won't regrow, but peas might once. They're the overachievers of the plant world. The secret to success? Quality seeds, nutrient-rich medium, and proper care. And maybe a little bit of luck. So get planting and enjoy your fresh, homegrown microgreens. Your future self will thank you. Don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy growing! And may your thumbs always be green.